In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bold some text here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy to do. We can bold all of the text or some of the text, meaning just one single word. Now, once you have the text that you want to bold, we can simply click onto the text and then double click onto the word that we want to bold, or we can just highlight the word just like that, then come up to the toolbar just here where we see the bold icon. Then if we click on there, we've just bold, which is highlighted. So now if we click off of that, we can now see that we have in fact bolded just one single word. Now to unbold this, we want to do the same, and we can double click onto that word, click back onto the B, and now that has been unbolded. So that's just how simple it is to bold some text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.